To fix the problem where your microphone in Honor X7D is not working, first of all, let's open the recorder and try to record some voice. So as you can see right here, I'm talking and there's no sound coming through. I can even pause and save that file, and then we can try to play it. There's no sound. Now to fix that, we'll need to open our settings. Next step is to enter security and privacy, scroll down and go for privacy controls, where we should be able to find our microphone access, and it needs to be active. Now if we go back and try to record our voice again, as you can see, and right there, it works. And I can also save that file and we can try to play it. I didn't have the volume. Let's try again. As you can see, and right there. And this one doesn't have any sound. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.